Hi guys, welcome back to another adventure. We are getting right back into crafts today. It is still way too cold to go anywhere outside, so we're stuck inside for yet another day, which is a grand old time. So today's craft, I actually tested this one ahead of time. I think I mentioned in a previous video that I don't always do that. I typically like to try to do something for the first time in a video, but there are times when materials are limited, and with what I have, I like to make sure something will work before I try to do it and then just mess it up. But what I'm making today is a really simple DIY wall hanging piece. It's nothing super fancy. It's kind of just a quick, easy little decoration that, well, it's a wall hanging, as I said before. And it's made out of really simple things. I mean, it's got yarn, twine, thread, cord would be the right word. If you use any of the other aforementioned ones, those might be far too thin. And beads, flowers, and little doodads. So the doodads are optional too for what you want. We're gonna get right into making this. It's a really simple process, really quick, I like to say, because I guess the longest part of it would be making this part. And once you get that done, the rest of it's pretty simple. The wait time for drying actually could be long, I suppose, depending on how much hot glue. You were gonna use hot glue, because hot glue does work for crafts like this. It works for actual crafts where you are connecting one thing to another thing instead of just making a thing entirely out of hot glue. But it's not very pretty in the back. That's the whole point of it being a wall hanging, though, is you're not going to see the back, because the entire back is, I mean, to keep the beads in place, the thick beads especially, keeps them in place, you want to use a good amount of hot glue. So we're going to get into this, like I said before. We're going to go ahead and move the camera down here. We're going to move to camera 2, and we are going to start to make this interesting little wall hanging for your house. that's the end of this craft. I mean, we got, it's all dry, and we got it hanging here. Obviously, like I said, it's not, it isn't store-bought look. It doesn't have that store-bought look, but it does have kind of a fun, you know, homemade feel to it, which is the whole purpose of DIY, correct? I mean, this one has little doodles on it. This one does not. I didn't really have any doodles that went well with it, with the colors. The flowers don't really, I mean, they do okay for this. Like, they would look alright, I suppose, on here, but I didn't really want them on there. The flowers actually would have matched better on this one, where it already had flowers. But so, the whole point of this one is that, you know, it's all up to you. The cord color will affect, you know, what beads you might think look best with it, what little doodles you want on the bottom. I have little see-through gems and moons for this one. It's kind of a sky-themed one, I suppose, if anything. They're just, you can make them however you want, and you put your own little twists on them. You make them personal to you, or personal to someone if you're making for someone else. Again, the backs aren't gonna look attractive, but I feel like that's one of those trade-offs you get when you make something yourself, is that things aren't always gonna look the most gorgeous somewhere, and the whole purpose of these is to hang against a wall, so you won't be seeing the back, because it'll be like this. So, decorate it however you want. Make them however you want. Let me know if they work for you, and let me know any suggestions you'd like to have in the future. Don't forget to check out my social medias, which I will put in the description below here. That will be all my updates for crafts I'm doing, suggestions for crafts that you guys might like to see, or things you specifically might like me to focus on, like if you wanted to see something used created entirely with beads, then I could try to figure something out there. But yeah, feel free to check that out. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed this. If you didn't, then comment telling me why you didn't, and criticism always helps to improve in the future. So thanks again for watching, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this, and I will see you all in the next adventure.